I like how he snorts at my jokes. Folks, a great big round of applause for Sourdough Jack. In the second lane, we're in the yellow, we got number 3. I gotta be honest here. Yeah, just the other day he was invited to a luau, and he actually showed up. I think there's some confusion about having him over for dinner. But he got out of there in one piece. That's just how fast he is. Folks, let's hear it for Koba! In the third lane, we're in the red, we got number 4. Named after that wild, fast, and dangerous Alaskan river, because that's how she races. Fresh from the land of the midnight sun, great big cheer for Yukon! Last, but certainly not least, rounding us off for this first round, in the orange, we got number 1. He's named after a very slippery Alaskan gold rush character. That fellow's a con man, so if I were you guys, I'd keep your eyes on this little pig. Folks, let's hear it for Soapy Smith! On your marks, get set, and go! They are off! Late start from Liberty Sourdough Jack, rest of mark, nose to nose. Got Soapy Smith pulling up ahead of the competition. Coming down to the finish! Oh, I love it! A little bit of hesitation right there. You guys got it. There we go! That first one over the hurdle. Sloppy Joe! Head to competition. Here's Strawberry! Got some loose space right here. Love you guys over here. We love to see it. Get your head to competition. Let's get some wild out here. All right, you might need a little bit more help. We're gonna quit 3, 2, 1, go. All right, on your marks. 3, 2, 1.
Watch him, Nomi.